TSLA stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is Tesla stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1 minute video. Now, I'm the only person in the stock trading space doing 43,000 videos over 5 years. And you know, I'm not even exaggerating. It's all documented on my YouTube channel. Genuinely speaking, it all began here kind of. I do have the proof though, you know what I mean? You cannot come here and just start talking stuff without proof. It was so good. This is 3 months back, and after that, man, like the only thing that I would care is if the price. And just genuinely looking at Tesla, mate, I'm looking to take it higher. I mean, for sure, kind of TP here would be 368. That's kind of what I'm aiming for. And it just, can I get like an opportunity that will make sense? Genuinely here, yeah, I mean, I would definitely look for longs as long as it makes sense. Like this is going to be there for the top. And as long as there is a double break confirmation or something along those lines, then I'm looking to take it further up. It's just that the confirmation is not met, I'm not buying. Simple. So if you want to stay tuned for free and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. It's free.